Hey guys, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you all about the three systems that you need to have in place if you want to have a highly profitable online business. Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the three systems that you need to have in place in order to have a highly profitable online business. But before I get into that, I'm inviting all of y'all to click on that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that y'all get notified whenever I create new videos for all of y'all. So the three systems that you need to have in place are a system where you can be discoverable, another system where you can build relationships so that you can start showing people the value that you can provide for them if they start following you, and third is the monetization system where you can actually capture these leads and start building these relationships with people. You can start building trust with them. They can start following you. You can start providing value for them, and you can ultimately start getting paid. But before you get into those three systems, you really need to have an attitude of that you are in this to help people. You're not in this just to make money. We want to help people. And that's the attitude that you need to have if you want to be successful online, because there's a lot of people out there that are just in here to make a quick buck, and they take advantage of people, they scam people, and you do not want to be one of those. Okay, so you need to have an attitude that you do want to help people. That needs to be first and foremost. Having said that, okay, the first system that you need to have is that you need to be discoverable. Okay, be it Facebook, be it Google Ads, be it YouTube, whatever the platform of your choice is going to be, you need to be discoverable. Okay, people need to find you. You need to be out there. You need to have your face out there. You need to start having your messages out there. And I don't care if it comes from making money online or helping somebody to bake a cake. Okay, whatever value you're going to provide to people, they have to be discoverable. They have to be able to find you. The second thing that you need to have is that you have to build relationships. All right, in an ideal world, as an entrepreneur, you can go up to anybody. You could have never met them before. You don't even know their name. You could just tell them, hey, sign up with my company. I'm going to charge you $10,000 and I'm going to help you make money. And if you were to do that, they would say yes, in an ideal world. Now, reality is, if you were to try to do that, they're going to look at you and they're going to be like, well, who are you? You know, it's the equivalent to a guy going to some girl he's never met before, like, hey, can you marry me? Marry me, and I'll treat you right. I'll provide you all these things. The girl's gonna look at you and she's gonna be like, wow, who's this whack job? But so many of us, that's what we do when we're first starting off, just barf our link on the internet wherever we can. We just start spamming different groups and all that, and we haven't established, a relationship. They haven't seen you. That's why people ultimately don't end up sticking around. That's the second system. And third is the monetization system. You need to have a system where you can capture these leads, these people that might be interested in you, and be able to communicate with them, send them offers, send them values, and, things like that. And the way that it usually works is you get somebody into your world by giving them something in the front end, something that is more than likely free with some value, or something that is very, very low cost, low risk, and that's how they end up first starting to interact with you. And then with time, you build up these relationships, you start showing your value, you start helping people. People will ultimately end up sticking around with you. So to recap, after you come across and you just start thinking that you want to be helping people, after you have that notion in your head, you can start with your three simple systems, which is you have to be discoverable, you have to have a system where you build relationships with other people, and third thing, you need to have your monetization system in place. Sometimes these systems can be very pricey, very high cost, and deliver very little things for you. Okay, I currently have a system in place that is very, very low cost. For $150 through the end of summer, you get a monetization system where you have a lead capture page. You have 6 lead capture pages to choose from. Okay, you have video tutorials that take you step by step how to set up your system. And also, this is an opportunity for you to create for yourself instant $100 commissions, unlimited $100 commissions, simply by sharing this monetization system with other people. So along with this system, you are able to, at the push of a button, download the system, edit it, do very minor editing with instructional videos, step by step, showing you how to go through it. And you can create yourself unlimited $100 income streams. If that's something that interests you, go ahead and click on the link below, and I'll send that over to you. This system is very low cost. It's going to help you capture all your leads. It's going to help you be able to provide value for them, and it's going to help you ultimately create those income streams that you're trying to do. If this is something that interests you, let me know, and we'll be in touch, and we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Okay. All right, that's all I have for now. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you found some value from here, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk again soon, guys. Thanks. Bye.